Good day, Sir Magbuhos. I'm Charlie Macdi Pareha, and this video is for return video for Article 12. So you can see there is no earphones or AirPods attached to my ears. Article 12 Article 12 secures circumstances which exempt from criminal liability. So number 1 is an imbecile or an insane person, unless the latter acted during a lucid interval. So when the imbecile or insane person has committed an act which the law defines as felony, the court shall order his confinement in one of the hospital or asylum established for a person those affected, which he shall not permitted to live without from obtaining the permission of the same court. So number 2 is a person under 9 years of age. Third is a person over 9 years of age and under 15 unless he has acted with discernment, in which case such minor shall proceed against the accordance with provision of Article 80 of this code. When such minor is adjudged to be criminally irresponsible, the court, in conformity with provision of this preceding paragraph, shall commit him to care and custody of his family, who shall be charged with his surveillance and education. Otherwise, he shall be committed to the care of some institution or person mentioned in said Article 80. Number 4, any person who, while performing a lawful act with due care, causes an injury by mere accident without fault or intention of causing it. Number 5, any person who acts under the compulsion of irresistible force. 6 is any person who acts under the impulse of any person who acts under the impulse of uncontrollable fear of an equal or greater injury. Any person who fails to perform an act required by law when prevented by some lawful insuperable cause.